Honda Australia and its national dealer network is pleased to welcome you to the world of Honda, a world of motoring enjoyment and pleasure. We thank you for choosing Honda, and we are confident that your car will bring you many years of reliable service, as well as pride of ownership and driving satisfaction. We believe that in buying a Honda, you have made a solid investment in a car with an unchallenged reputation for quality, style, advanced technology and engineering, performance, safety, and the sheer enjoyment of driving. But like any investment, there are certain key factors that are vital in keeping that investment up to the mark. We at Honda Australia call this total customer satisfaction #1. And this video information program outlines Honda's commitment to you, the Honda owner. In this program, we cover building cars of distinction, the technology, development and testing that go into each Honda, caring for your investment, the importance of expert service and care, Honda genuine replacement parts, total support for your new car warranty, what it means to you, the Honda Dealer National Network in Australia, and your new Honda's Grand Prix heritage. But first, let us give you a quick rundown on the history of Honda, from its humble beginnings to its place today as one of the major car manufacturers in the world. This is where it all began back in 1948, in a backstreet workshop in Hamamatsu, where the Honda company was founded. From these small beginnings, Honda has been built into an international corporation spanning the globe with manufacturing or sales organisations in every continent. Honda cars drive the roads of the world. Today, Honda produces almost 2 million vehicles a year worldwide. This puts it into the top 10 in world motor manufacturing. But Honda is also a major car manufacturer outside Japan. In the United States, the Accord was the top-selling car of 1990, and more than 800,000 cars will be built by Honda in America in 1991. Honda has 5 major plants in Japan that concentrate on car manufacturing. They are among the most advanced in the world. They also show the breadth and scope of Honda's manufacturing ability, from fully automated factories using robots in all stages of production, to a new specialist sports car complex, where robots are a rarity and cars are virtually made by hand, using the traditional skills of craftsmen. Research, development and testing are vital in producing cars that are strong and durable, as well as technically exciting. At Honda, testing goes on right around the clock, day and night, at its own extensive proving ground. That's just part of Honda's total dedication to making cars of outstanding quality and durability. Honda also has its own Grand Prix motor racing circuit, which doubles as yet another high-speed test facility for road cars, as well as Honda-powered Formula One races. In purely historical terms, Honda is pretty much of a newcomer in the business of making and selling cars. But in the years since it first began manufacturing cars, that was back in 1962, Honda has built up an enviable international reputation for forward thinking, innovation and advanced technology that has taken it and its cars to the forefront in the world of motoring. Honda was the first car manufacturer to produce all-wheel steering for a production car, a brilliantly simple piece of design and engineering that is used in the Honda Prelude Coupe and the top-of-the-line Accord sedan. But if one car underscores Honda's expertise in terms of advanced automotive technology, design and performance, it is the Honda NSX, a mid-engined sports coupe that joins the highly exclusive ranks of prestige supercars. The NSX, with its 270 km/h top speed, advanced V6 engine, brilliant acceleration and handling, has won world acclaim for its blend of high performance and safety. But there's more. With the NSX, Honda has created a new class of high-performance car, a car that is totally undemanding to drive, even at high speed, a car that does not require special skills or exceptional driving talent. There are no compromises with the NSX. It is a car that was bred from the start to be just as much at home in city traffic as performing at its peak out on the open road. The NSX is a very special kind of car. And it is special in many other ways as well. Honda has gone back in time to the days of traditional hand-built craftsmanship and care to build the NSX. A new factory costing over $100 million was built exclusively for the NSX. Just 25 cars are produced a day by a team of specialists who combine the hands-on art of the skilled and dedicated craftsmen with tomorrow's technology, materials and design. The NSX, like every Honda, underlines a total commitment to quality and care. Now to your new Honda, the Civic Si 3-door. Honda believes that quality must never be compromised. That's why its cars have built up a formidable reputation over the years. This is the first vital step in Honda's total customer satisfaction program, making sure that any new model is right from day one. Right in design. Right in the way it drives. Right for comfort and passenger space. And right in performance, handling and safety. And only when it is right by Honda is it considered to be right for you. That's part of what we mean by saying customer satisfaction is our #1 aim. Now, it's true to say that any car, regardless of price, is only as good as the service and spare parts backup it gets. That's why we at Honda have spent a lot of time, effort and money to offer the kind of support that will keep your Honda on the road and running in top form. It really pays from the start to have your Honda serviced regularly at your Honda dealer, serviced by experts. They are all factory trained by Honda Australia. They know their Hondas. They have the right equipment and training and the knowledge and experience to back up their expertise. Your Honda deserves nothing less. Honda Australia's strict policy on servicing is this. Unless a dealer can properly service a Honda product, that dealer should not be allowed to sell it. This is yet another key element in the Honda Customer Satisfaction #1 program. Just as important as expert servicing is the replacement parts support for all Honda cars in Australia. And here is where all of that spare parts backup for your Honda starts, at the Central Replacement Parts Division at Honda Australia's headquarters at Tullamarine in Victoria. The Parts Division occupies 2 modern warehouses that are computerised for speed and efficiency. Specially trained staff handle more than 160,000 separate items that are held in stock at any one time. These banks of 10-metre high storage racks hold everything in the way of spares, more than $15 million worth at any one time, with trained operatives, or pickers as they are called, using high-rise lifts to fill orders which are processed by computer. In fact, more than 95% of all orders for parts are dispatched on a same-day basis to the Honda dealer network right around Australia. But if, for some reason, a part is not readily available or stocks are running short, then Honda Australia can contact Japan by computer through a satellite link and have the parts flown here by express air freight. A fast, efficient and wide-ranging replacement parts service is an important part of Honda Australia's commitment in making customer satisfaction the #1 priority. Each new Honda comes with 2 important books, the Owner's Handbook and the New Car Warranty and Service Handbook. If you haven't read them yet, you should. The Owner's Handbook gives all kinds of useful information and advice, as well as practical hints on such things as checking the battery, the level of the engine oil, and making sure the tyres are at the right pressures. Like the Owner's Handbook, the Warranty and Service Manual should also be read carefully. It sets out in simple, easy-to-understand language what the Honda New Car Warranty means to you, the owner. Every new Honda carries this sticker, 24, 36, 72. These figures spell out the main features of the Honda New Car Warranty. 24 stands for the length of the warranty, 24 months and unlimited kilometres. 36 is for the 36-month or 3-year warranty against surface corrosion of the body panels. And 72 stands for the 72-month or 6-year warranty against rust perforation of the body panels. As we said earlier, it is well worth taking time to read the warranty so you fully understand its terms and conditions and your responsibilities as an owner. The service policy section deals with the recommended service intervals to keep your Honda in top mechanical shape. If your car is driven regularly in severe conditions, for instance on long distances, on rough, dusty, unmade roads, it may need extra servicing. Your Honda dealer will be able to advise you about this. And remember, always have your car serviced by an authorised Honda dealer. If your car has been kept in top condition and carries a full Honda service history, there's every chance it will qualify to become a Honda Assured used car. That means it should be worth more as a trade-in on your next new Honda. Now to the Honda dealer network in Australia. Before the famous Honda logo can be displayed at any dealership, strict and exacting guidelines are laid down. Honda Australia believes that the only way of delivering total customer satisfaction is through the most professional dealer network in the country. Every Honda dealer must provide the highest level of service. They must establish and maintain facilities which reflect the quality of the Honda range of fine cars, and they must ensure all of their staff attends training courses on new models, customer relations, and business management. Let's look now at the unique pedigree of all Honda cars. From the smart, spirited and economical Civic, to the all-wheel steering Accord, and world-class luxury legend four-door saloon, right through to the unique high-performance NSX Coupe. All have a brilliant, hard-won heritage. They all benefit from Honda's long involvement in the tough, demanding world of Grand Prix motor racing. Honda has won 5 world championships in succession. First, with this 1.5-litre twin-turbocharged V6 engine producing upwards of 1,000 horsepower. Then, with this 3.5-litre V10 engine that gives even greater track performance than the all-time winner of the turbo era. But Honda technology never stands still. This is the newest Honda racing engine, an even more powerful 12-cylinder 3.5-litre that is already fully developed for Grand Prix racing. Finally, from the high-speed world of the racetrack to the vital matter of road safety. For many years now, Honda has been a pioneer in making cars safer and making driving safer by investing millions of dollars in constantly improving the build safety of its cars. This has led to the introduction of Honda's own four-wheel anti-lock braking system, four-wheel steering, a traction control system that gives total road grip in all conditions, airbag safety restraints, and even a satellite car navigation system to make getting there easier. Honda Australia fully supports road safety. We ask you to take care on the roads. At the beginning of this video program, we said Honda Australia had a total commitment to making customer satisfaction its #1 aim. At Honda Australia, when we say customer satisfaction is number one, we really mean it. We wish you happy motoring in your new Honda.